Welcome to Peterson's Farm of Nashville. Taking the outdoors inside today. So you won't see my tractor. I could not figure out how to get it involved in this project. Today, we are going to take our TV, which is stationary currently on this countertop, blocking the window behind it, and we're going to mount it over on this wall on a swivel type mount adapter. That's the plan anyway. We'll see what happens. All right, so what I did is measure the center from that wall to this window, top of the windows from that window on that window. So TV will be at the same height as those windows. And then measured out the TV on here, got the center of where these brackets would be on the TV. So I got the mounting holes for those right there. And so that center goes right there where the cat's trying to get to. Okay, say there's a template. Yep. Handy dandy template, comes with it.
There's the...
With the tape provided. We're gonna put it on the center of that temporarily. And get this leveled out. That's level.
They actually give you a little level.
This doesn't seem level. Yeah, levels don't lie. Must be the wall or something that's off. All right. Since everything's gonna be covered up, there's not there. It's not there. It's not there. Huh. Not there. I wish I had a stud finder, dear. It's gotta be right there. There it is. Oh, you find, where's the edges? Just make sure. Let's give this a shot right there. Will we hit a stud? Yes! Yes. So there's the center of that stud. You laugh, but it works. Especially when everything's gonna be covered up. Is that a problem?
I get in trouble for that.
So you want to size up your pilot hole drill bit with your lag and be about half the size. Drill a pilot hole here. Get this one started to get my hands free. Does not seem level. It's level, darn it. It just doesn't seem like it. Look. I didn't even watch. No look. See?
Hold it.
See? Look at that.
Yeah.
I'd say it's going to hold it. Because if you come over here, this is cool. This is actually a pretty nice design, dear. Good job on selecting this. Don't know how you came about it. You've got these brackets that will go on the back of the TV. You got different locations. You can hang it on the mount. It says up, and then this is the part that you actually tie it into. So if we're going to hang it on that bracket, then we would just tighten this screw down to where it comes behind there. But what we got to do first is we got to put these brackets on the TV. All right. So we figured these bolts out. It is the longer bolt. Yep. And got my assistants here. Excuse me. Get these spacers. They give you all the options, that's for sure. Yeah, cats, you like that, don't you? You put a spacer on there, then you put it in the corresponding hole that you want it in. Let's see what happens. So it does go a certain way. I'm not gonna be able to see it on camera, but this edge, but when you put two of them together, they fit like so. It's like grooved. And this side will be flat to the bracket, like so. So everything is flat. Do I need help lifting it? I don't think so. Might need a spotter. We will after we get it onto the bracket. Is it on?
You gotta come back towards me. No, come back out because you're running behind it. You gotta come back out.
I can't. It won't move. It's like hooked.
All right, we got one hooked and then the other one's behind it. All right. All right.
Is it on there?
Yeah, it's hooked, but the other side. Okay, here we go. Turn it towards my side. No, wait. All right.
Is it on there?
Yeah, but we gotta.
Okay, I know. I just want it on there.
Okay, it's on there. We're gonna take these legs off.
What, can you get out? More.
Did you do the black piece?
All right. So it does have a way of folding up. It's just it's tilted.
Okay, watch.
She's got some stupid YouTube video for me to watch. To adjust the vertic build. To adjust the top, back, whatever you want to call it. There's these two adjustments up here on the top. I'll zoom in on them here shortly. It requires an Allen wrench. I don't need help, but
I'm like looking at it going, it's gonna fall right
you
to
want
the.
to just hold it right there? Is that good enough, or do you want it to lean out?
I think that's
I don't
probably
really.
right there. You can look over there
I
and see.
don't really want it to lean out.
Okay,
So bring it back.
that's feels like it's tipping.
Okay, right there.
Okay.
Happy medium from the top.
Yeah, but does it look all right from over here? I mean,
Well, I don't know. Let's get everybody's opinion on that. If you were sitting over here in Phil's chair, can you see it?
I see it a lot better.
Yeah, Tammy sees it a lot better. Can you get YouTube? All right, good morning, everyone. Phil here from Peterson's Farm of Nashville. So I'm gonna get some wood in the IBC tote and take it to the entertainment barn because we're out of wood and it's cold. It's like gone from the 60s to 10 degrees. So anyway, it's gonna be this way for a couple days. That's how you install. What's the name of that bracket?
Bluestone.
Bluestone bracket for your TV. Just another thing I was able to make a YouTube video of and satisfy my wife on getting something done around the house. And we can store up against the wall like so. So you don't like it there? It's right there. You can watch your favorite YouTube videos.
And it opens my window back there.
That is pretty neat. So anyway, thanks for joining us here on Peterson's Farm of Nashville and the installation of the Bluestone TV wall mount. So we were able to get this off of this and open up this. Friends, family, and future generations, we show you stuff like this so that you can understand and enjoy now in the future. So come on back. God bless y'all.